Zayd empty jar. Zayd was a kind little boy, just 7-year-old. One day, his teacher gave each student a small glass jar. She smiled and said, "Take this jar home. Every time you do a good deed, put one small stone inside." Zayd was excited. He ran home and told his mother, "I am going to fill this jar fast." That night, he gave his little sister his last candy. Plink, one stone in the jar. The next day, he helped an old man carry a bag. Plink, another stone. One week passed. That jar had only 5 stones. He looked at and felt sad. He whispered, "Why is it still so empty?" His mother sat beside him and said, "Zayd, filling the jar is not about rushing. It's about kindness from the heart." That day, Zayd gave water to a thirsty cat. He hugged a crying friend. He read Quran slowly with love. His jar filled slowly but with joy. Finally, after 1 month, it was full. Zayd held the jar closed and smiled. He did not just fill a jar, he filled his heart with goodness. Moral of the story: small good deeds done with love make a big difference. Allah sees every little act of kindness. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it.